Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Here we have one problem, that is x times square root of y plus y times square root of x equal 30 and x times square root of x plus y times square root of y equal 35. So in this problem we have to find the values of x and y. So how do we solve this problem? Let's see. Solution. So we have given two equations. First one is x times square root of y plus y times square root of x equal 30, and second one is x times square root of x plus y times square root of y equal 35. So first let us consider a equaled square root of x and b equaled square root of y. It means a square equaled x and b square equaled y. Okay, so now substitute these values in these equations. So let us consider this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So now substitute these values in this equation. So x square root of y plus y square root of x equal 30. So x value is a square times square root of y value is b plus y value is b square and square root of x value is a equals 30. So a square times b plus b square times a equal 30. So let us consider this is equation 3. Now we will see second equation. So x square root of x plus y square root of y equal 35. So just substitute the values of a and b in this equation, x and y in this equation. So x values a square and square root of x values a plus y values b square and square root of y values b equal 35. So a square times a cube plus b square times b cube equal 35. So this is equation 4. So now from equation 2, equation 3, a square b plus b square a equal 30. So multiply by 3 on both sides. So now we will get 3 times a square b plus 3 times b square a equal 30 times 3, which is equal to 90. So now let us consider this is equation 5. So now add equation 4 and equation 5. So a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square a equal 90 plus 35. So now I will get, so first we know this formula, a plus b whole to the power of cube equaled a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square a. Okay, we know this formula, so just in place of this we will write a plus b whole cube. So a plus b whole cube equal to 90 plus 35, which is equal 125. So a plus b whole cube equal, so 125 we can write it as 5 cube equal 125. So in place of 125 we will write 5 cube. So now, so here exponents are same and bases are different, so we have to take only bases, that is a plus b equal 5. So let us consider this equation 6. Okay, so now from this equation we will write a value. So a equal to 5 minus b. Okay, so we got this value, so just substitute this value in this third equation. Okay, so third equation, here we will write third equation, that is a square b plus b square a equal 30. So this is third equation. So just substitute this value in this equation. So 5 minus b whole square times b plus b square, a value is 5 minus b equal 30. Okay, so now we know that a minus b whole square equals a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so use this formula. Here we can write 5 square plus b square minus 2ab, so 2ab times b, write this b, plus b square, so multiply these two terms, we will get b square, 5b square minus b square times b, which is equal b cube, equal 30. So now multiply these two terms, so 5 square, which is equal to 25, so 25 times b, 25b, plus b square times b, which is equal to b cube, so minus 2 times 5, 2 times 5, which is equal to 10, so 10b times b minus 10b square, so plus 5b square minus b square equal b cube equal 30. So here b cube get cancelled and 25b is there. Here minus 10b square plus 5b square, which is equal to minus 5b square. So here plus 25b is there, equal 30. So here in this term we can take out common, that is 5, so 5. So here we will write leftover numbers, that are minus b square, so plus, so 5 times 5, 25, so 5b equal, so 30 we can write it as 6 times 5. Okay, so this 5 get cancelled, so we'll get minus b plus 5b, so write this 6 to the left side. Now it will become minus 6 equal to 0. So we can take out common, that is negative sign, so we can take out negative sign, so minus 1, so we will get b square minus 5b, so here minus is there, so it will become plus 6 equal to 0. So now b square minus 5b plus 6 equal 0. So this is in a form of standard form, x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here we can use quadratic formula. So b equal, so minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay. So now compare these two equations, write the values of a, b, c. So what is the value of a? A equal to 1 and b equal to minus 5 and c equal to 6. Okay. So b equal minus, b value is minus 5 plus or minus square root of b square, b value is minus 5 whole square minus 4, a value is 1 and c value is 6 divided by 2 and a value is 1. b equal minus minus plus, so 5 plus or minus square root of 5 square which is equal to 25 minus 4 times 6 which is equal to 24 divided by 2. So b equal 5 plus or minus, so 25 minus 24 which is equal to square root of 1 divided by 2. So you'll get 5 plus or minus 1 square root of 1 which is equal to 1 divided by 2. So now we can split this solution as two parts. So one is 5 plus 1 2 divided by 2, and other one is negative value 5 minus 1 divided by 2. So we got b equal, so 5 plus 1 which is equal to 6, 6 by 2. So 6 times 2 times 3 equals 6. So b equals 3 and 5 minus 1 which is equal 4, 4 by 2. So 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So b equal 2. So we got b values. Now we have to find the value of a. So now, so right here equation 4. So a cube plus b cube equals 35. This is equation 4. So just substitute the value of b in this equation. We will get a value. So a cube plus b value is 3. So 3 cube equals 35. So a cube plus 3 cube which is equal to 27 equals 35, and a cube, so 35 minus 27 will get a cube equal, so 35 minus 27 which is equal to 8. So 8 can be written as 2 cube. So a cube equal 2 cube. Now a value is a equal 2. So now let's try with this value. So a cube plus b value is 2 cube equal 35, and a cube plus 2 cube which is equal to 8 equals 35, and a cube 35 minus 8, a cube equal 35 minus 8 which is equal to 27. So 3 cube equal 27. So a cube equal 3 cube. So a equal 3. So we got two solutions, a comma b. So a1 b1 equal, so 2 comma 3, and a2 b2 equal 3 comma 2. So now we have to find the value of x. So now we have to find the values of x and y. So here a equals square root of x, b equals square root of y. So just substitute the value of a and b in these equations. So then we will get, so a equal square root of x comma b equal square root of y, and a square equal x, b square equal y. So let's try with this value. Okay, so 2, a value is 2, so a equal 2 equal square root of x, so it means x equal 2 square, so x equal 4, and x equal 4, we got x equal 4 and b value is 3, so just substitute this in this, so 3 equal square root of y, so y value is 3 square, so 3 square which is equal to 9 equal y, so x equal to 4 and y equal to 9, so we got x and y values. So if we do with these values, we will get y, we will get x equal to 9 and y equal 4. Okay, so now let's verify if these values are right or not. So question, so just write the questions. So x square root of y plus y square root of x equal 30, and x square root of x plus y square root of y equal 35. So now substitute the values of x and y. So let's verify with this first equation. Okay, so x square root of y plus y square root of x equal 30, so x value is 4, so 4 times square root of y value is 3 plus y value is 9 and square root of x value is 2 equal 30. So 4 times 3 which is equal 12 and 9 times 2 which is equal 18 equals 30. So 12 plus 18 which is equal 30 equals 30. So this is true, and let's verify with this second equation. So x square root of x plus y square root of y equals 35. So x value is 4 and square root of x value is 2 plus y value is 9 and square root of y value is 3 equal 35. So 4 times 2 8 plus 9 times 3 which is equal 27 equal 35. So 27 plus 8 which is equal 35 equal 35. So this is also true. So the x value is 4 and y value is 9. So this is right answer. This is also right answer. Thank you for watching.